get one of your rags out of your rag box and find a hem on your underwear. Cut off a piece of the hem here. Oh, about 3 inches long. So, and cut that in half. So you have 2 pieces. Okay, then you take your 2 strips, get a poker, poke a hole in the middle, like that. And then, I've got a self-drilling screw here that I'm going to start into those holes, like so. The other one. There. Then, take a dowel pin, put it in the vise. I'm going to use my center punch, automatic center punch. Put that in there. Then I can go ahead and screw this in here, like this. Turn these 90 degrees, like that. Finish it off with my screwdriver. Okay. Then we'll just soak it a little bit with some Armor All, like that. Go ahead, chuck it up in the drill, like so. And then get your remote. You go ahead and start cleaning. Put it on the power button good. And there you have it, the remote control cleaning tool, only on Pappy's Corner.